How are you? Welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do data handling. Mean, median and mode. The information collected by a statistician cannot be put to any use immediately and directly. So it is called the raw data. For example, the information collection through census and survey or in a routine manner. It is the raw data. The raw data can be present in the form of ungrouped data, group data or continuous frequency distribution. In this section, we shall study mean, median and mode of ungrouped data only. First, mean of ungrouped data. The mean of a set of observation is equal to their sum divided by total number of observation. The following example illustrate the use of above definition in finding the mean, also known as arithmetic mean of ungrouped data. Example लेते हैं, find the mean of first 7 natural numbers. So natural numbers start with 1. First 7 natural number का सम हो जाएगा 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. This is arithmetic mean, that is divided by 7. So 28 divided by 7 equals to 4. 4 is the mean. Clear? So sum of observation divided by number of observation gives you mean. Clear? Next is median of ungrouped data. Median means mid value. While finding the mean of ungrouped data, we did not have to arrange the observation in any specific order. For finding the median of ungrouped data, we have to arrange it in ascending or descending order of magnitude. The value of median, most observation represent the median of the data. So for median, we have to arrange the data either in ascending order or in descending order, and the middle value will give you median. Next, method for finding median. First method, when the number of observations is odd. अगर number of observation odd है तो क्या होगा? Median equals to value of 1 by 2 n plus 1 observation. Here n means total number of observation. Example लेते हैं, the run scored by a cricket player in 11 inning are. Runs दे रखे हमें, we have to find the median of score. So first we have to arrange the data in ascending order. So we have arranged the data in ascending order. Now you see what is the number of observation, that is 11. 11 is odd. So median equals to क्या हो जाएगा? Value of 1 by 2, 11 plus 1 term. That is 11 plus 1 equals to 12 divided by 2, यानी 6 term. What is the 6th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 48. So median will be 48. Now method 2. When the number of observation, that is n, is even. If the number of observation are even, then median equals to 1 by 2 n upon 2 observation plus n upon 2 plus 1 observation. Example लेते हैं, the marks scored by 10 student in n examinations are. So marks are given, we have to find the median. First we will arrange the data in descending order. Here we have arranged in descending order. Clear? Number of observation are 10, that is even. So median equals to हो जाएगा 1 by 2 10 upon 2 term plus 10 upon 2 plus 1 term, that is 1 by 2 fifth term plus 6th term. 1 by 2 fifth term is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 66, and next that is 6th term is 62. So इन दोनों की वैल्यू को ऐड करेंगे and divide by 2, that is 64 marks. So our median is 64. Clear? Next is mode of ungrouped data. Mode is the value of variable observation which occur most frequently. Example लेते हैं, given below the number of absentees student in different class on the rainy day. Classes are given here and number of absentees student. So which is the model class? कौन सी class होगी? Since the number of absentees student is maximum in class 7th, so it is the model class. Next is learning target 21.1. Subject enrichment. Fill in the blanks with appropriate word. The data collected can be present by means of tables, chart or graphs. Clear? So you have to practice all these questions. Next is bar graph. Bar graph is a pictorial representation of numerical data by the number of bar of uniform width with equal spacing between them. Bar graph may be drawn horizontally or vertically. We can draw many conclusions by just having a glance at them. We can draw a graph by following the steps given below. First step, we take a graph paper and draw two lines perpendicular to each other and call them horizontal and vertical axis. Along the horizontal axis, mark the information given in the data like days, months, year, places, etc. at a uniform gap. Choose a suitable scale. On the scale, determine the height of the bar of the given numerical value. The figure so obtained will give the bar graph representing the given numerical data. The following example will illustrate the construction of bar graph of given data. Example 1. The production of scooter by a company in different year is shown as follows. First, year is given and number of scooter produced. So 2002 and 3 में 8400 like this. अलग अलग years में आपको number of scooter का production दिया गया है. Draw a bar graph of our data. पहले आपको क्या करना है? You have to draw a bar graph. Solution: let the horizontal axis represent the year and the vertical axis represent the number of scooter produced. We take the scale 1 centimeter equals to 2000 scooter. So here we have drawn the bar graph. यहाँ पे क्या किया हमने? This is horizontal axis. Here we have taken years and this vertical axis. Here we have taken number of scooter produced. And यहाँ पे scale क्या लिया है? हमने 1 centimeter equals to 2000 scooters. 2000 क्या gap है? 0, 2000, 4000, 6000, 8000, 10,000 and so on. Clear? So 2000 scooter are shown by 1 centimeter. Clear? ये 1 centimeter पे हो जाएंगे 2000, 2 centimeter पे 4000. 8400 scooter are shown by 4.2 centimeter because 8400 divided by 2000 that is 4.2 centimeter. 10,000 के लिए हो जाएगा 5 centimeter. 11,200 के लिए 5.6 centimeter. वो हमें ग्राफ पेपर के उसके अकॉर्डिंग मार्क करना है एंड इस तरीके से हमें बार ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, सॉल्व द पजल. In a housing state, there are 1,000 married couple. 2/3 of the husband who are taller than their wives and also heavier. 3/4 of the husband who are heavier than their wives are also taller. If there are 120 wives who are taller and heavier than their husband, how many husbands are taller than their wives? This is a puzzle. You have to try this. Okay. Next is double bar graph. Bar graph drawn side by side are called double bar graph. Double bar graph are drawn when we compare two data simultaneously. Means दो डेटा को हम एक साथ कंपेयर करते हैं तो we'll draw a double bar graph. Take example, the performance of the student in first term and second term is given below. Subjects: English, Hindi, Math, Science and Social Science. फर्स्ट टर्म की परफॉर्मेंस है एंड दिस इज सेकेंड टर्म की परफॉर्मेंस. अलग अलग मार्क्स दे रखे हैं. नाउ ड्रॉ अ डबल बार ग्राफ चूजिंग एप्रोप्रिएट स्केल एंड आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. क्लियर? सो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? विल ड्रॉ द बार ग्राफ इन हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस विल टेक सब्जेक्ट्स एंड वर्टिकल एक्सिस विल टेक मार्क्स ऑब्टेन्ड. सो इंग्लिश फर्स्ट टर्म एंड सेकेंड टर्म. Again, Hindi का first, second term, Maths first and second term, marks के according. For y axis will take the scale 1 unit high equals to 10 मार्क्स, 0, 10, 20 इक्वल डिस्टेंस लेना है, तो 10 मार्क्स का डिस्टेंस है. विल ड्रॉ डबल बार ग्राफ लाइक दिस. नाउ वी हैव टू आंसर सर्टेन क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चंस हमारे क्या क्या है? इन विच सब्जेक्ट हैज द स्टूडेंट इम्प्रूव हिज परफॉर्मेंस द मोस्ट. सबसे ज़्यादा किस में परफॉर्मेंस उसने इम्प्रूव की है. इफ़ वी लुक एट द ग्राफ, जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस होगा, दैट इज मैथ्स. मैथ्स में अगर आप देखेंगे तो परफॉर्मेंस जो है इम्प्रूव हुई है. क्लियर? इन विच सब्जेक्ट इज द इम्प्रूवमेंट लीस्ट. सबसे कम इम्प्रूवमेंट किस सब्जेक्ट में हुई है? दैट इज सोशल साइंस. क्लियर? हैज़ द परफॉर्मेंस गोन डाउन इन एनी सब्जेक्ट. किसी में कम हुई है? वी कैन सी फर्स्ट टर्म का है एंड दिस सेकेंड टर्म, तो सेकेंड टर्म के मार्क्स कम है, सो हिंदी में जो है परफॉर्मेंस डाउन हुई है. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, सम इंपॉर्टेंट ऑब्जर्वेशंस. Bar graph is a pictorial representation of numerical data by a number of bars of uniform width and equal spacing between them. The suitable scale to determine the height of the bar is also chosen, keeping the view the space available for the diagram. The bar graph should have the title. The chosen scale should also be mentioned. Next is learning target 21.2. Critical thinking. Marks obtained out of 100 in mathematics paper by 100 students are given in the following table. So marks are given and number of students are given here. Represent the above information by the bar graph and answer the following question. So you have to draw a bar graph, horizontal axis and vertical axis. So you can take on one axis marks लिख सकते हैं and other axis you can take the number of student, draw the bar graph and answer these questions. So you have to do it by yourself. You have to practice all these questions. So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand the chapter well. Now you have to practice it.